children. Did you go through yesterday's content? Okay. First problem, did you complete? Well done. Okay. Today let us start the exercise 7 second problem, which I have copied already on the board. In the adjacent figure, the lines L and M are parallel. N is a transversal. Fill in the blanks for all the situations given below. So, if angle 1 is 80 degrees, this is the figure, these two are parallel lines and is the transversal. So, here angle 1 is equal to 80 degrees. Then, angle 2 is equal to how much? Angle 1 and angle 2 are on the straight line. So, what is the straight angle formed? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, straight angle is 180 degrees. So, angle 1 they gave it as 80 degrees plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees as it is. This is transposed to the other side minus 80 degrees. So, 80 minus 80 is 0. So, this 100 stays like that only. 80 minus 80 is 0. So, I have written 100 degrees. So, angle 2 is 100 degrees. Angle 2 is 100 degrees in this case. Now, let us see the second bit. If angle 3 is equal to 45 degrees, then angle 7 is equal to how much? Angle 3 is 45. Angle 7 is how much? What are these two angles? You can see that both of them are interior angles. First thing, interior angles, and they are alternate. So, you know that the parallel lines are there. The alternate interior angles are equal. So, what is the angle? Angle 3 is 45. So, angle 7 also will be 45 degrees. So, let us write the reason. Since alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Next, they gave angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Then angle 8 is equal to how much? Angle 2 and angle 8. How are these angles? Vertically opposite angles. Very good. You know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So, angle 2 is 90, then angle 8 is also 90. Write the reason here. Since vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the reason why both of them are same. Now, angle 4 is equal to 100 degrees, then angle 8 is equal to how much? You can see that angle 4 is the exterior angle, angle 8 is also exterior angle. And both of them are alternate exterior angles. So, alternate exterior angles are equal. So, angle 4 is 100, so angle 8 also is 100. What is the reason? Since alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Why are they equal? Because we have parallel lines. L and M are parallel lines. That is the reason we are equating the angles. We know that they are equal, so we are using that. Now, let us continue with the third. With this, we have finished the second problem. You can open your classwork, write today's date, write exercise 7, copy the full question, and then you can write the third question. Find the measure of x, y, and z in the figure where L is parallel to BC. L is parallel to BC. You know that L is a line, and the angle formed on the straight line is 180 degrees. That part you know. So, here this full, if you add, you are going to get it as 180 degrees. So, 75 degrees plus x degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Since straight line. straight line, you know that the angle formed is 180 degrees. So here what I am going to do is x degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 75. I am taking that side, so 75. So x degrees is equal to this 45 also I am going to take that side. So this minus 75 degrees minus 45 degrees. So 5 and 5 is 10. 0 and 1 carry. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 120. 180 minus 120 degrees we need to do. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I am not going to write that. So this x is equal to 60 degrees. X degrees is 60. You got the value of x and you are going to find out the value of x and y. How are we going to do this? We are going to see. We know that these two are parallel lines. When you take this as the transversal, AB is the transversal of L and BC. I will extend this so that you will understand. This is the transversal. This is the parallel lines. You can see that y is here and 75 degrees. The angle formed is here. So this angle and this angle become the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So angle y is equal to 45 degrees is what we are going to get. Let us write it. I am erasing this because we have already finished this part. So here you can see that we are considering y is equal to 75 degrees. Y degrees is equal to 75 degrees. What is the reason? Since interior alternate interior. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So here what is the condition you have taken? AB as the transversal. AB is the transversal that you have taken. And you know that L is parallel to BC. For this condition we got y is equal to 75 degrees. Now let us take the second part. We want the value of z. So here what we are going to do is, we are going to extend the AC and AC is going to be the transversal. So we know that L is parallel to BC. Then AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. Then you see, this is the transversal. Here one angle is given and here one angle is given. So interior, alternate interior angles, Z is equal to 45 degrees because Z degrees is equal to 45 degrees. What is the reason? Since alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So here y you got it as 75 degrees, z you got it as 45 degrees and x you got it as 60 degrees. They asked you to find the values of x, y, z. You have already found the values of x, y, z. So with this we complete this problem. Let us continue with the next problem. Copy the solution, children. Okay, children. Fourth question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to CD. These two are parallel. How can you show in the diagram? When arrow marks are shown like this, it means they are parallel to each other. And AD is parallel to BC. AB is parallel to CD and this AD is parallel to BC. This is what is given. Find angle B, angle C and angle D. When two pairs of AB lines are parallel to each other, when opposite sides are parallel to each other, it is a parallelogram. All the sides are parallel. This is parallel to this, this is parallel to this. So it is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, you know that the opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and consecutive angles, the sum of the consecutive angles is equal to 180 degrees. These are the three conditions that you should know. When opposite sides are parallel to each other, each pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other, it is a parallelogram. Then opposite sides will be equal, opposite angles will be equal to each other. Opposite angles will be equal to each other, and the last point is consecutive angles sum will be equal to 180 degrees or it is supplementary. So let us start solving this. We know that AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. How do you know this? Because it is given in the question. Given. So what can you conclude from this? AB, therefore. The symbol of therefore is first you need to write one dot and two dots in the second row. Like this. Reverse of since we are going to write as therefore. Therefore, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. When it is a parallelogram, you know that the opposite angles are equal. So, angle C is equal to 50 degrees. What is the reason? Since opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Now we have to find out the angles of angle B and angle D. So here we know that when we consider this part, I am taking this side, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Consecutive angles if we take, they are supplementary. So here I am going to substitute angle B, we don't know, plus angle C, we got it as 50 degrees. So this is equal to 180 degrees. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 50 degrees. 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. So this is 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 1 as it is. So 130 degrees. So angle B you got it as 130 degrees. So angle D is also 130 degrees. Why? Angle D is equal to 130 degrees as since opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This is the solution for this question. Understood everyone? Copy this solution. Okay. The next question is, in a given figure, L and N are intersected by a transversal N. Is L parallel to M? Is L parallel to M? This is what you need to find out. So what I am going to take is, I will take the straight line AB. On the line AB, I am going to find out the angles. Angle, here I am going to take, here is a figure AQP plus angle PQB. This angle is a straight line, so it should be equal to 180 degrees. So in that way, we are going to find out the answer for this. So angle AQP plus angle PQB is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Since straight line. Since it's a straight line, it should be equal to 180 degrees. So now substitute the value. AQP is 100 degrees plus angle PQB is equal to 180 degrees. So here angle PQB is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. 180 minus 100. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0, so it is 80 degrees. You got this angle as 80 degrees. You got this angle as 80 degrees. You know, according to your vertically opposite angles, you know that this angle will be 80. This angle will be 100. Yes or no? So this part of the angle, this part we have completed. In this, they have given that CRS, angle CRS is equal to 80 degrees. This is what is given. Now, angle AQR, that is equal to angle P, where is PQB, angle PQB. This is because vertically opposite angles. Since this is equal to 80 degrees, what is the reason? Sorry. Since vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That is the reason it is equal to 80 degrees. So here you have seen that angle AQ and R is equal to angle CRS. Angle CRS, AQR and CRS both are equal to each other, which is equal to 80 degrees. Both are equal to 80 degrees and they are corresponding angles. You can see that they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Let me change the way I write. We saw that this and this are 80 degrees. Both of them are corresponding angles. Since corresponding angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Since I will write the full spelling, you start in the new line. After writing this, you start. Since corresponding angles are equal, L is parallel. What did they ask you to show? L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Understood this problem? What did we do? First we have found out the value of this part. How did we find? We have taken the straight line, considered it is equal to 180 degrees. Then we found out this angle. Then we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So this we got it as 80 degrees. Then we have seen that this angle and this angle are same. Both of them are corresponding angles. Because corresponding angles are equal, we came to conclude that both the lines are parallel to each other. Understood, children? Okay, copy. Then in this exercise, the last problem of this chapter and this exercise, find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E in the figure. Give reasons. So here, when arrow mark is there, I told you they are parallel lines. Now if I take these two arrows are going down, so these two are parallel lines. I am not going to consider remaining figure. I will take only this part and this one. Like this. This is what is taken. This is the transversal. If I extend, this is the transversal and these are the lines. So here the angle formed inside this part is interior angle and they are asking us, here it is 50 degrees and they are asking what is this one. Here clearly you can see this is the transversal. Both of them are lying inside the, they are inside, interior of these two lines, interior angles are formed, and you know that when these are parallel, because they have given the symbol as parallel, you know that the alternate interior angles are equal. So angle A will be equal to 50 degrees. Same way if you take these two lines, this is the transversal. Again this will be equal to this, and you know that this, each time when you take, you get that all of them are alternate interior angles. So here angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to angle E is equal to 50 degrees. What is the reason? Since alternate angles, alternate interior angles are equal when lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel. Every time, each time we are taking only two lines and one transversal. Two lines and one transversal. Like that we are taking and we are checking, interior angles are formed and they are equal, and because we know that they are parallel, interior angles are equal. Understood everyone? Complete all the work. With this we have finished this chapter. Let us start the new chapter.